God! Did he already stop?
I think so. I don't know. Nope. He's not done.
He loves shoes. Specifically, your shoes.
Hi guys. I'm still recovering from my channel being freaking banned off the face of the earth. Yeah, for specifically, he just wants to get my shoes.
Yes, like, he does not care. Oh, wait, hold. I got your socks in on accident, my bad.
Now you good. Oh, he chewing on his fur.
Hey. E. Is he done? I mean, it got like a minute.
That's a minute longer than I did. I didn't even get the chance. I couldn't open my phone fast enough.
Yeah, and also, it's like basically dead.
Yep. Probably is dead right now.
Majestic Doof.
Also, Walter.
Where?
Behind Goobs.
I can't see him, you show.
There's also a Walter right there just sitting by his brothers.
They can't hear you because of earbud. Hold on. Like, put it like right up to your mouth so that you can make sure that they hear you.
There's also a Walter.
Other side. That side.
There's also a Walter. We have encountered a wild Walter sitting next to its brothers. I have the option to catch it or let it flee. I guess I let it flee.
Goop's questioning us. Let me go get my child.
The
You
lion.
film a Goob.
And we have encountered another wild cat, aka Goober. He is...
Hello, YouTube.
He really likes my shoes for some reason. Don't know why. He just does.
He only goes after his shoes, no one else's.
That's crazy.
I'm serious though.
You don't think I know that? Ah! He's going.